Students, in my last video I discussed about Stirling numbers. Now Stirling numbers, as I said, in this particular playlist I am talking about the combinatorics where we are talking about the principle of counting. Stirling number, I told you what exactly we were doing. We were trying to arrange m objects in n boxes, and there were different cases. Like if you have the similar type of boxes, if you have a different boxes, if you have a restriction that boxes can be repeated and boxes cannot be repeated, that all we discussed in the Stirling number. Now the second number is Bell number. Now what exactly is a Bell number? To understand that, first you need to understand what is the meaning of partition. Now suppose you have any set S. Okay? Suppose this is a set S and there are few subsets of S, say A1, A2, A3. Like that, I have the subsets of S. So I can say AI is a subset of S. Now what type of subsets I have? That if I take the union of all the subsets, that forms the S. Okay, means whole S is made up of this type of subsets. And the second condition is that AI intersection AJ is a null set. Means these subsets are not overlapping each other. Then the set of these subsets is called the partition of set S. Right? So this is the basic meaning of partition. So partition means कि I am dividing or I am splitting S, a set S, into small subsets in such a way that the union of those subsets form the set and their intersection is a null set. Right? So this is called the partition. Now the number of partition of n element set is Bn and is called Bell number. So what I want to say is the number of partition of n element set is represented by Bn and is called Bell number. Right? So now I have a very simple formula for a Bell number. The Bell number Bn plus 1 is equal to summation k is equal to 0 to n c k bk. Now obviously if you have only one subset, then if I am taking it as 0, means if I have only one set, then in that case b of 0 is always considered as 1, because I am saying that n element set, right? So in that way b0 value is standard always 1. Now I have to find out the remaining values. So now let us put n is equal to 0. If I put n is equal to 0 and I put in this relation, so b1 is equal to summation k is equal to 0 to 0, then 0 c k bk. Now when you open the summation, if I put k is equal to 0, I have 0c0 and b0. 0c0 is 1, b0 is also 1, so the value is 1. So the value of b1 is also 1. Now let me take n is equal to 1. In that case, if I put n is equal to 1, I'll get b2. So b2 is summation k is equal to 0 to 1, 1ck and bk. Now open this summation. Opening summation means first put k is equal to 0. So when I put k is equal to 0, 1c0 b0 plus now put k is equal to 1. So 1c1 b1. Right? Now what is the value of 1c0? 1. b0 is 1. 1c1 is 1. b1 is 1. So I'll have 1 plus 1, that is 2. So the value of b2 is 2. Same way, if I put n is equal to 2, I'll get the value of b3. So b3 is summation k is equal to 0 to 2, 2ck bk. So this is equal to 2c0 b0 plus 2c1 b1 plus 2c2 b2. Right? Now substitute the values. So what is the value of 2C0? 2 factorial upon 0 factorial and into 2 minus 0, that is 2 factorial. So it will become again 1. B0 is also 1, right? Plus 2C1 is what? 2 factorial upon 1 factorial into 1 factorial means 2, right? So 2, what is the value of B1? B1 is 1. Plus 2C2 is 1 and B2 is 2. So the value is 5. So the value of B3 is 5. Now let us find out B4. So B4 is equal to summation k is equal to, remember it is n plus 1. So n value is 3, right? So 3ck bk. If you open the summation, it will become 3c0 b0 plus 3c1 b1 plus 3c2 b2 plus 3c3 b3. Now start substituting the value. So you will get 1 plus 3 plus 3 into 2 plus 1 into 5, which is equal to 15. This is how I can find out all the Bell numbers. So Bell number is a very small topic and this is what is there. So Bell number is basically, as I said, it is a number of partition of an element set S, right? And it is the simple concept or the simple method to find it out is this formula. So if you remember the formula, you can find out the Bell number. So if in my next video, I will be uploading Catalan number, concept of Catalan number, Ramsey number. So subscribe the channel so that the moment I will upload the video, you will get the notification. Thank you.